So on the drive up this morning, I was incredibly surprised that from the street side, I couldn't see any of the awesome renewable energy technology that you have installed. You've done a fantastic job with keeping that super discreet from a street perspective.
So when we were designing it, we knew that we wanted to make it a really energy efficient home, but it was all designed around capturing natural light and then using that natural light in the design. So the north facing aspect is on the side of the house, and you'll see when we go through, we've actually put the backyard on the side. There's a double height void there with all of the windows, and then we've actually placed the panels on that section because that's where the most sun hits. So from the side of the street, you can see it, but from the front, the architecture is what really kind of sings. So
I'm so excited to have a look inside.
Let's have a look.
What an incredible job you guys have done. Your home is absolutely stunning.
Thank you. Yeah, it took a long time, but we're really happy with the result.
I know that we've been working together for some while now, and you've picked one of my favourite brands, REC Solar. So first and foremost, how have your energy bills been before and after going solar?
It's been great. So we've obviously got 3 children. You know, our bills before having 3 children were quite big, and now we've introduced a pool and, you know, everything else. And I thought, God, we need to really, you know, do this right. Yeah, our bills have been coming next to nothing, which has been a huge saving.
Well, look, once again, you've gone for the best of the best. I mean, you're using REC Solar and their Alpha Pure RX panel, which is next level. I mean, it literally is one of the best panels on the planet right now. Being a European company, they know what they're doing. They manufacture out of Singapore. Their facility is state of the art. But with the panel itself, Bec, I mean, being in your forever home, it's really important to pick a panel that would not only perform today, but perform in the future. So the great thing about REC and their Alpha Pure RX panel is first and foremost, your system was installed by a certified professional installer, which means you have that Pro Trust warranty. Now what that means is your panel's performance today is guaranteed to almost be the same as what it is in 25 years' time. If you imagine that panel's on the roof, getting smashed by the sun and the different elements of weather throughout the year, that panel's performance in 25 years' time is guaranteed to still be at 92% output, worst case. Which means for the next 25 years, you do not have to be worried about your pool, about your air conditioning, all those things you want to put on, and the toys, obviously the kids are young, so their energy requirements are going to continue to increase. You don't have to be concerned about it. The other key part too, and I know you were concerned because you are near the water, and salt mist is always going to be a bit of an issue. So those panels are incredibly durable. They're great with high wind, with hail, salt mist. I mean, the reality is those panels have literally been designed to survive any Australian weather element that can be thrown at it. The final core part, which I absolutely love about these panels, is how they actually perform in sunlight. Now, it sounds silly because solar panels are designed to be in sunshine, right? But the issue is when it gets so hot in Melbourne, and as we know, it can get up to 40 degrees at times, that really does impact the panel's performance and it starts to slow down. With REC's Alpha Pure RX, what you're finding in anything over 25 degrees, that panel is still performing incredibly high, which means you're still banging out so much electricity throughout that daytime. When the sun is at its peak and the hottest, you don't have to be concerned once again about turning on all your appliances. Any Australian weather element that can be thrown at it.
Well, we really wanted something that was going to be discreet as well. I guess the positioning of it was important. To be honest, I just wanted something that was going to work, be durable, and, you know, cover all the areas that we really wanted to try and save on. A huge thing for us was the pool. I was really nervous. We've never had a pool before. I was really nervous about how that was going to affect our bills, but with the solar, it's not, which is amazing.
Oh, look, it's such a beautiful panel. I mean, and the great thing about it is it's not just having solar power on your roof, it's actually in keeping with the property and super stylish, which is you guys to a T.